happy 40th to for joking here. And yeah, got baby birds. Look at them. They're so cute. Three of them. I don't know why I said tweet. Yeah. They're so cute. There's like a hawk that flew way over there, and yeah. So I kind of make sure the hawk does not get the birds. The parents of the birds is hawks are evil. So I know, except for the bald eagle, because it's the United States bird, national bird. So, well, I actually, weird. There's weed on our property. Is that? They're stealing wood from our property. Like, literally stealing wood from our property. There's that. And yeah, well, not fun. There's that. This is our property line right here. Like, seriously. Like, look, this is our wood. Like, stuff like this. This is our property line. Yeah. Yep. Like I said, see you guys next video, and, yeah, see how many. Go see Yellow Mariners for them. Isn't it? I forgot, actually. Oh yeah, they're still fine. I believe. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. Oh, hi Birdie. You're gonna. Oh. That's the kind of bird right there. And I guess I'll end this video here. Bye.